Welcome to the informative mix. I am REDMI 10A and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. After that, click here to gesture shortcuts, and now just to activate Quick Launch, for example, to launch the camera or to turn on the torch by double press to power key, we should click here, for example, to launch camera, and to activate the switcher by click here once. And that's it. Now just by double press to power key button, we can see that the camera application is activated. So that's it. That's how to activate Quick Launch from power button on our Xiaomi device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.